morning guys, it is officially a nursery putting together day, which is going to be in our room, so it's not like a separate room, but it's just going to like be what we're going to use for the next 6 months, so I'm so out of breath. Joe's just like itching to get started. You've made space in the living room for all the stuff you want to build.
Ta-da.
Do you want to show us what we have and what we need to build?
So we have a set of drawers in these two boxes.
Yeah.
Which is also a changing table.
Oh, yes. Why do I sound surprised? I helped you pick it.
Nursing feeding chair.
Yeah.
Which is very exciting. Last but not least, we have a co-sleeper.
Cool. So which one are we assembling first?
So I think we'll go with the most difficult one.
Okay. I love how I said, which one are we assembling? I'm just going to be watching you do it.
Yeah.
And Joe's so excited. He's got his little tools out and everything. I'll just keep him company on my little bouncy ball over here. So let's get into it.
Taking a lot longer than I thought it would.
And I'm doing all of the work.
You are very helpful, my love.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Oh.
I would be lost without you.
Oh, nice. I have a feeling this one's going to be easy.
Ooh, luxurious.
This is a different shape from me. Okay, you pull, I'll hold. Oh.
That was a lot easier than that.
That was a lot easier. Good morning, it's a Sunday and we are still working on our little nursery. Joe just brought all of the things that we got from our baby shower into our room, and now we're just going to sort through this and kind of decide what we want to put into these set of drawers down here. I'm excited to see what we can fill it with. Got a lot of nappies, which is really exciting, and a lot of toys and clothes. Where's all the clothes? Ah, yeah. There's all the clothes. Alrighty.
Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna use the most.
We'll just sort through this now and then I will show you guys what we put into these drawers. Exciting!
Yeah.
I'm gonna be real with you guys, this video took a couple of days to film. I honestly just needed to nap and rest in between like different takes. So the last bit of the video that you guys just saw was filmed this morning, and then I've just been napping over here since, and now I feel like I have a little bit of a burst of energy that's just come back. So I'm just gonna film the little outro of this video, but I also just kind of like want to chat and just catch up with you guys, give you a little update. So I'm currently 37 weeks pregnant. I am very much out of breath. I'm feeling really good, I'm feeling very happy, and obviously just so excited to meet baby soon. I can't believe, like, he could come at any time now, but I can't believe it will be in a couple of weeks. I'm just taking it easy. I'm finishing work next week, I think. So yeah, I'm just basically writing out these last couple of weeks. I've made like a mental decision to try my best to enjoy these last couple of weeks instead of like wish them away, which has been what I've been doing previously. It's kind of like hoping and wishing he will come early, but now I've just kind of made peace with the fact that he will come when he's ready. Yeah, and just enjoy the last few weeks of being pregnant, because I don't think I'll be pregnant again for a while. So I'm just really trying to soak it all up at the moment. I'm so out of breath. I'm gonna try and film a couple of other videos before I give birth and get them up and going before he arrives. So I'm hoping that I can do that, but obviously I'm not putting too much pressure on myself, and I'm just kind of like going with the flow and seeing what works for me. I am napping a lot lately and I'm just letting my body do what it needs to do. Usually I would make myself feel guilty for resting or napping or saying no to things, but saying no and resting and napping has been like a must. I have so much that I want to talk to you guys about, especially when it comes to the birth. So I think I'm going to make like a separate video talking about just what I'm doing currently to prepare for birth and stuff like that. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you'll see the next few videos coming out soon. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little nursery vlog. Obviously this is not a like traditional nursery. We don't have like a separate room for us. We are renting this house. The other room that we do have in this house is currently being used for Joe's office, and our bedroom is big enough, so we thought that we'd maybe just put the nursery in here, and we're really happy about it. Like, we feel like this room is just so much more cozier. Everything that we have that's like pretty big in this room is obviously our bed, his little co-sleeper, the feeding chair, and then the set of drawers with the changing table on top, and then we obviously have the bath if we need to bath him. So we feel like this room is basically all we need for now, and it just fits into our lifestyle at the moment. I think from the very beginning I had to like not be precious about having like a proper nursery setup, like his room, have like his books displayed and and all of those things. Like, we are planning to move overseas one day, so we're not too like precious about this time, but at the same time we feel like the setup in our room is so special and intimate that we'll just like have the best time with him when he arrives. So if you're a mum to be who doesn't have like a separate room for nursery, I hope this video finds you, and I hope that it encourages you and makes you feel not alone and not having like a set nursery. I feel like different seasons in your life bring different things, and at the moment for us is just having our nursery in our bedroom, and that is completely okay as well. And at the end of the day, you have to do what is best for you and your family at the time, and don't feel too pressured to, you know, have this amazing setup and feel kind of like you're missing out on something if you see stuff online. I just knew this was not the season that we're in at the moment, and I'm completely fine with that. So yeah, I just hope that this encourages you. If you're a mum to be who's watching this and you don't have like a separate room for a nursery, that's completely normal, it's completely fine, and it's okay to do whatever is best for you and your family in this season. That is pretty much the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I really hope that you, maybe if you're a new mom to be, or even if you're not, it doesn't really matter, that you just really liked seeing what I put in the drawers and how we set up everything and how we built everything. And if you did, can you please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon, and leave a comment if you feel like you want to. But yeah, it was so nice hanging out with you guys. I really miss you, and I really miss just sitting down and chatting, so maybe I'll add a little bit more of that into the next vlog. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys again soon.